Okay, students, in this video I am going to teach exercise 1.2, first Roman, second problem. Okay, now let P denotes the set of all straight lines in a plane. The relation R defined by how they are defining L related to M when if L is perpendicular to M. So this is the statement they given. So first we will see the reflexive. Reflexive, what I told, statement and then relation. So what is the statement they given? L is perpendicular to M. But in reflexive, what I told, both should be same. So L is perpendicular to L. That is the statement you have to check. So in general, L is perpendicular to L. ஒரு லைனுக்கு அதே பர்பெண்டிகுலர் ஆகுமா? ஆகாது. அதனால L is not related to L, so it is not reflexive. Perpendicular, when you will tell, if some other line is there, you can compare. Parallel, some other line is there, you can compare. So in the line adike perpendicular, you cannot compare. Okay, so first statement itself wrong. So L is not related to L. That means what? It is not reflexive. So reflexive property not at all satisfied. Okay, so students, just to remove here, instead of M, L related to L, that's it. That you have to check. That's why I told statement, relation. What is the statement? This is a statement. L is perpendicular to M. Statement, relation, then conclusion. Next, symmetric. Symmetric, in general, what is the symmetric relation? If A comma B belongs to R, then B comma A also belongs to R. Okay, but generally how will you remember? Relation, statement, statement, relation. That is the way you should remember. Okay, same thing we did in the previous problem also. So L is related to M. This is a relation. What is this corresponding statement? L is perpendicular to M, and we have to check whether M is perpendicular to L or not. So if it is perpendicular, M is related to L. So here I draw one diagram. You see this line L is perpendicular to M because the angle is 90 degrees. Definitely this M also perpendicular to L. Okay, so if L is related to M, definitely M also related to L. So it is a symmetric. Okay, so L is related to M, then you have to check whether M is related to L or not. That is symmetric. Okay, so we verified this statement as a correct statement. L is perpendicular to M, correct. Here in this diagram, L is perpendicular to M, and also M is perpendicular to L also, correct only. So M is related to L, so it is a symmetric. Okay, so it is not reflexive, but it is a symmetric. Now next property is what? Transitive. So transitive is very easy property. What is the transitive property here? I draw the diagram also. Just to remember the general concept. What I told, relation, this fully relation only. Statement, okay, statement, relation. Okay, this fully you should consider as one statement only, because these both I should write here. Statement, okay, relation, statement, statement, relation. At last, conclusion. Now we'll see. L is related to M and M is related to N. Okay, then you have to check whether L is related to N or not. Okay, now we'll check now. L is perpendicular to M. You see here, this L is perpendicular to this M. Next, M is perpendicular to N. Suppose this M perpendicular to this line N. And now you have to check whether L is perpendicular to N or not. You see here, definitely not. L is parallel to N. So L is not perpendicular to N. So L is not related to N. So it is not transitive. Okay, it is only symmetric. It is not reflexive. It is not a transitive. Okay, so that is the thing you should understand. Okay, so just students, don't confuse. You remember relation, statement, statement, relation. Even for symmetric also same thing. Relation, statement, statement, relation. Last, conclusion. This is the way you should remember. But given statement is very, very important. Okay, students, in the next video, we'll see some other problems. The same Roman. Okay. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Okay. Bye.